retrieve children in a dangerous coastal operation. Press and Lebanon meant that we were really putting our lives in danger. We knew we were taking a chance on being there. It was risky, and we also knew there was a chance that we could be killed. But that was the risk I was willing to take.